All right, everyone. So this is how you set up a live stream from scratch. I tried this on my other computer just now. I've had to kind of call an audible, as it were, because of the limitations that have been set on Google Hangouts. And thanks to my very good friend Andy Mitchell, this seems like a good option to look at. So if you would like to live stream an event, a couple things that you should know. Um, the live stream usually has a delay on it of roughly, I don't know, anywhere between 10 to 30 seconds. You're going to have to download some additional software to conduct a live stream. And there was some trial and error by me to kind of figure out what things needed to be done. And I know that I'm probably going to end up doing that in the video, so just bear with me. So the first thing that you should do is make sure you set up your own personal YouTube account. And then once you do, you can customize it as I have. And then what you want to do is click on the option right next to YouTube to see like where what options that you have. But you'll see that like there's nothing here that says live stream. That is seen by coming over to your icon, and I'm signed under my personal email. And then you want to click on Creator Studio. That will bring you into kind of a deeper layer into YouTube. I know Aaron Anderson is going to go over some stuff in more detail. You can see right there, there's my test live stream that I literally just did. So here we go. So if I want to do a live stream, I come here to live streaming, click on that option, and there's a number of things that need to be done. Normally, YouTube has it set up to where you can live stream and chat at the same time, but because that feature is turned off for our students' Chromebooks, that's not necessarily going to work with the kids' Chromebooks, so I had to come up with another option, which I'll share with you guys later. Okay, so here we go. If I want to stream something, there's a number of things that I have to do. I can set up an event for like an upcoming stream, or I can stream live right now. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to title this test number 2, and we'll do this for practice PD. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I have to set up what's called the encoding software. Now, some things you're going to need to be familiar with. The stream name or key. This is going to be very important. So what you want to do is highlight, copy that. You're going to need it here in a second. You can change the description, as I did, the title. You can change the category, whether you want it public, private, etc. And then you're going to come up here to set up encoding software. Now, because this is going to be the first time you're doing a live stream, this is where you will set up the software. So YouTube's very helpful on how to do that. And they've got a list of great encoders here that have some really cool features. The one that I went was with Open Broadcaster because it's free and it's fairly easy to use. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to download it. And I want the OS 10 version because that's what I'm on. I'm on a Mac. And then these are the steps that you're going to go through to download the program. As you'll see here shortly, it's very similar to any other steps that you take when you download a program from the web. And you're actually going to be using OBS to give your YouTube live stream. And then the link that you give out to the people that you want to see your live stream will be on YouTube. Now, I know there is a way to do this directly through YouTube, but I'm still troubleshooting. This is what I found to be the easiest way. And again, you have this video to help you out. So we're going to unpackage everything by double-clicking on it. And we're going to go ahead and let the Mac do its work. Just click Continue. It's already picked out the install location. You're going to need to type in your password to verify that you are downloading this. And it'll do its magic. And there it is. So I'm going to hit close and close this and close this. And I'm going to close this. And here I am at my stream. Okay, now remember, I copied that encoder stream name key. I'm going to need that, all right? So I'm going to step away from Firefox here for a second. And I am going to go to my applications. I just downloaded OBS. So if you click on the modify date, that'll get you there. And then I'm going to double click on it. And what it will do is it will open the program. Now, what I found that I had to do manually is go through and actually tell the program, this is my video hookup, this is my my microphone hookup, while I was doing the stream, because while I was doing my practice stream, I saw myself, but I couldn't hear any sound. So this will take just a moment to open up, and there it is. Now you can see that the mic already is set up, but I need to do a couple of things. The first thing that I need to do is add the source, which is the video. Now the nice thing is that if you don't want to show your face, you don't have to. You can have it be an image that pops up. You can have it be like your desktop. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. I think for students, what I'm likely going to do is have it set up as my desktop. So that way, if I need to pull up pictures to explain anything to the students, I can do that. But for now, since this is a live stream, I'm going to go ahead and use the video capture device. So I'm going to create a new one. There it is. I'm going to click on the device, all right, and there's my camera. And I'm going to click OK. And there I am. Okay. So at this point, what I would need to do is make sure that the mic is hot, and it is hot because you're seeing it right there. Then I'm going to go over into settings. Okay. Now from here, this is where I would set up the stream. I'm going to click on stream. The service that I am using is YouTube, so you want to check that. And then remember that key that we copied, that's where you're going to paste it. Oh, it didn't come through all the way. That's okay. I will go back to it. Oh, okay. Well, let's see if that works. Okay. So I'm going to start streaming now. Okay. So again, it's not coming through. So again, there's some troubleshooting here that I'm still having to do. I'm going to try and set this up again. Okay, so back up to stream. Ugh, it's not working. Okay, well, let's see if that does it. Okay. All right, well, those are the steps that you go through. Again, this is kind of a new thing for me. And we're going to try it in my session. I'm planning on holding a study group for my students this week, so hopefully I'll figure it out by then. So thanks for watching, and like I said, tech's great, but sometimes it's not easy. Thanks.